Hey y'all, what it do? This is your girl E checking in. If you are new here, consider to subscribe and welcome back to all my babies. You guys, I am here at the Nike factory. You guys, it is a sale that's going on right now, and I believe also after Christmas is gonna be a lot of sales going on still. So this video is gonna base on last minute shopping and after Christmas, okay? As you can see, they have stuff up to 20 to 30% off, even more. So go ahead and check them out. It don't matter, you guys. I've before Christmas, last minute shopping, after the holidays, you know it's gonna be outrageous sales going on. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and start with this video. I'm talking too much, y'all. So yeah, go ahead and give this video a like, comment down below. If you are new, please subscribe, share the video, and y'all, welcome back to all my babies. Okay, all right, let's watch. Oh, I got a crumb. It's packed in here. Alright y'all, so what we doing now, okay, we going inside Polo. We're gonna go see what they have on sale to see if there's okay ma'am. Alright, yeah, you guys, we're inside Polo right now and they do have a sale. Okay, the entire store is on sale. Everything is on sale, okay, up to 40% off. Okay, 40% off, y'all. So if you guys need anything from Polo, be sure to check it out. And if you don't, just watch your girl. You know, I'm just gonna be like a Pacific, you know. Yeah, you guys, I had just got home. I mean, we had just got off church. Okay, it was so everything is on sale, 40% off. So they have woman, men, you know, you guys been inside Polo, kids, you're gonna see. So just continue watching, leave a like, leave a comment, share the video, you guys, and be safe during the holidays, okay? And Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. All right, be safe, y'all. Just continue watching. All right. The jean jacket, you don't have one. Right here. Huh? No. How much is that? $139? Let me show you. What's going on? Oh, it's a doggy.
It's my wife. That's the owner.
Hi.
What's going on?
Oh.
Jack Russell. Huh?
Yeah,
Yeah, I have well, she just brought home a Yorkie. I like
That's cute.
It could be unisex, I guess.
Yeah,
Come on, let's go see if we can
but it's more for a
let's go
little
look at some more
boy.
cats.
Oh, that's for boys. Come, come. She's looking at herself. This one cute. What she did?
Yeah, I love that. Let me see. What who is that pretty girl?
My arm hurt.
That's daddy baby. That's
That's so cute. Yeah. All right, y'all. Right now we are inside, I believe, finish line, and we getting ready to get some shoes. But don't forget to like, comment, share, and share the video. You guys like, share. Don't forget to always put God first. And I'm out. Deuces, babes. Bye.